So here we are at Nightingale Way. As you can see, as soon as you step in, you have the entrance hall. Got the built-in mat just here. Straight off the hall is the kitchen. So as you can see, it's got the combi boiler there, washing machine, cupboards. You've got your electric oven with electric hob, more cupboards, got some nice light vinyl down, wall mounted units. Okay, you've got space for a fridge freezer just there. As you come out of the kitchen and go through to the living room, so you've got the patio doors that lead you out to the back garden, feature gas fire, it's all painted magnolia. Then you have an understairs cupboard in here. Just for some storage. The property is 2 bedrooms, so we'll go upstairs. So at the top of the stairs is the bathroom. Again, you've got a lino, wood effect lino down. Toilet, sink and bath with shower over it. You've got your extractor fan and a window here. And then you've got 2 double bedrooms, so your second bedroom is just here. Just very plain magnolia walls and brown carpet. You can see out to the garden here. Needs a bit of trimming back, but it has good space with a patio area. You've got a shed. It is on-road parking here. Then going through to the master bedroom, which is a good sized double. You've probably got space for wardrobes just there. Dressing table probably there, and you also have an extra storage cupboard in here, which would have had the water tank in, but because it's a combi boiler now, that's been freed up. Really good size. Really good size property. And that's Nightingale Way.